wala ko kadungog. Start na. Ano naman? I-reply yun sa to. Dirita i-click ninyo ning link. Ana lang. Ma'am, pislito na namo. Pislito na daw lay. Yun ana ang makitaan. Wala pa nagtuyok ra. Ana. Hello. Hello guys. Hello. Ana. Good morning. Okay, mag-start na ta. Okay, so this morning we are going to discuss on Module 3, illustrating rational algebraic expression. Okay, what I need to know. So you're going to illustrate rational algebraic expressions and differentiate rational algebraic expression from non-rational algebraic expression. Okay. So what I know. Okay, this is our pre-assessment or pre-test. Okay, number 1. What expression contains operations, numbers, and one or more variables? A. Basic expression. B. Numerical phrases. C. Algebraic expression. And D. Operational coefficients. Okay, our answer is letter C. Algebraic expressions. Okay, number 2. What is the constant in the expression 4x squared minus 2x plus 5? So, constant. When we say constant, walang variable. So, the answer is letter D. 5. Kasi yung 5, walang variable o walang kasamang letters. Okay, next, number 3. How many terms are there in the expression 3x plus 1? Okay, is letter B. When we say terms, tingnan natin o tanawon nato kung pila ka buok ang na ay plus or minus. So isa ra man, so therefore duha ka terms. Okay, number 4. What are the operations used in the expression 2x plus y minus 1? Okay, our answer is letter A is positive only, letter B negative only, C both positive and negative, D neither positive nor negative. So our answer is letter C. Bakit letter C? Kasi meron tayong positive and negative sa given expression, sa gihatag nga expression, natay makita nga duha ka operation, positive ug negative. Number 5. What are the literal coefficients in the expression 2x plus y plus 3z? Okay, literal coefficients. Letter A, x and y. B, x and z. C, y and z. D, x, y, and z. Okay, the correct answer is letter D. Nga letter D man ang atong answer, kay naatay sa given nato na expression na ay tulo ka letters x, y, z. Mo nang ibig sabihin sa literal coefficients. Okay, number 6. What expression refers to the ratio of both polynomial numerator and denominator? Okay, letter A, algebraic expression. B, basic rational expression. C, rational numerical phrases. D, rational algebraic expression. Okay, our answer is letter Letter D, rational algebraic expression. Okay, number 7. What is the excluded value of the rational function p of x over q of x? Excluded value of the rational function p of x and q of x. A. Q of x is not equal to 0. B. Q of x is equal to 0. C. Q of x is greater than or equal to 0. D. Q of x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. Ngano man, kay dili dapat equal to 0 ang atong q of x, ang atong denominator. Okay, number 8. Which of the following is an algebraic expression? A. 3x plus 2y equals 2. B. X plus 1. C. 3 plus 4 equals 7. D. 4 plus 2. And the correct answer is letter B. Algebraic expression man siya, so x plus 1. Okay, number 9. What is the name of a term with no variable in an algebraic expression? What is the name of a term with no variable in an algebraic expression? Letter A, coefficient. Letter B, variable. Letter C, constant. Letter D, factor. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. Constant. Okay. Basta wala gani variable, ang tawag ana is constant. Okay, number 10. What do you call of the numerical factor of a term that contains a variable? Letter A, coefficient. Letter B, term. Letter C, constant. Letter D, factor. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. Number 11. Why is it important to know the excluded value or values of a rational algebraic expression? Letter A, to prevent the expression to become 1. Letter C, to prevent the expression to become undefined. And letter D, to prevent the expression to become greater than or equal to 0. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. To prevent the expression to become undefined. Kasi kapag yung ating ang excluded value of a rational algebraic expression ano siya, equal to 0, so dili gid ma-undefined gid na siya. So to prevent undefined, kinahanglan nga dili gid siya ma-0. Okay. Number 12. Which of the following expression is a rational algebraic expression? Letter A, x over square root of 3y. B, 3c to the power of 3 all over square root of quantity a plus 1. Okay, a plus 1 to the power of 0. Letter C, 4y squared plus z minus 3. Letter D, a minus b all over a plus b. Okay, the correct answer is letter D. Okay, number 13. Which of the following expression is not a rational algebraic expression? Okay, letter A, x plus y all over x minus y. B, y squared plus 1 all over xy raised to the power of negative 3. Letter C, x over square root of 25. Ano yan siya? Y squared. Letter D, a plus b plus c all over a minus b plus c. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Okay, dili siya rational algebraic expression. Tungod kay na ay negative ang iyahang exponent sa denominator. Okay, next number. Number 14. Identify the terms in the expression 2x squared plus x plus 1. Identify the terms in the expression 2x squared plus x plus 1. Letter A, 2x and 1. B, 2, 1 and 1. C, 2x squared, x and 1. And D, x squared, x and 1. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. Nganong letter C man? Kaya ang atong terms in the expression, ang given, ang gihatag is 2x squared, then x, and 1. Okay, number 15. The last number. Which of the following expression could be considered as rational algebraic expression? Letter A, square root of 50x. B, 5x raised to the power of 12. C, 4y squared minus 9. Z raised to the power of negative 2. And letter D, b minus a all over b plus a. And the correct answer is letter D. Okay, so ito ngayon yung ating lesson 3, illustrating rational algebraic expression. Okay. Okay, what's in? So activity 1, let us match. Match the symbol with their correct implication. So ito ang ating symbol, column sa symbol, sa kabila o sa pikas, mao ang implication of mathematical symbol. Okay, number 1. So yung quantity natin, parentheses. Asa man ang implication na sa mathematical symbol. Okay, number 1 is letter D. Multiplied by or times. Muna ang but pasabot. Number 2. Kanang murag na ay slash diha. Unsa mang but pasabot ana? The answer is letter A. Ratio of the quotient of divided by. So, kung makita mo gingon ana, but pasabot, divide. Okay, number 3. Plus. Ang man symbol sa plus? Okay, the answer is letter C. The sum of more than increased by. Number 4. Kung na negative diha. Ang answer is letter E. Less than, decreased by, subtracted from the difference. Okay, number 5. Okay, the answer is letter B. That is equals or is equal to. Okay, next. Letter B. Match the loss exponent with appropriate expression. Okay, loss of exponent, then rules. Okay, number 1, product rule. Asa man diha ang product rule? The answer is letter C. Pag ingon gud nato nga product, ang iyahang exponent atong i-add. Okay. Number 2, quotient rule. Asa man diha ang quotient rule? Letter B. So, ang kapag quotient, kung mag-divide ta, i-minus na to ang i-minus na to ang exponent. Okay, number 3. Power rule. The answer is letter A. So, kung makita mo gingon na quantity x the power of y sa atong i-multiply, mahimo siyang a raised to the power of x times y. Number 4, inverse rule. Sa inverse, na atong balihon. Sa may gibali diha. Okay, the answer is letter E, inverse. So, ang a to the power of negative 1 is equal to 1 over a. Okay, number 5. Zero exponent. Okay, any number has the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, our answer is letter D. Okay, so C tayo. Match the name of polynomials with appropriate expression. So, yun lang ni siya. Names of polynomial, then expression. Binomial. When we say binomial, composed of 2 terms. So, our answer is letter B. Monomial. When we say monomial, composed of 1 term. So, the answer is letter A. Number 3, polynomial. When we say polynomial, composed of more than 3 terms. So, the answer is letter D. Number 4, trinomials. Ibig sabihin, na ay tulo ka term. So, the answer is letter C. Okay, what are non-polynomials? So, number 1, square root of x or x raised to the power of 1/2. A variable that has a rational power is not a polynomial. Number 2, 1 over x. A variable found in the denominator is not a polynomial. So, kung na variable, dili na siya polynomial. Ha? Kung na ay variable lang ang denominator, di na siya polynomial. Okay, number 3. X to the power, raised to the power of negative 1. Okay, a variable with a negative power is also not a polynomial. So, na ay negative ang iyang power, Dili po na siya polynomial. Kinakuha. What's new activity 2? Can you break it down? Okay, direction. Identify the terms, numerical coefficients, literal coefficient, and constant of the following algebraic expression. So, naanay example diha ang example. So, example is 3b squared plus 2c minus 5. So, muna ato ang given na algebraic expression. So, naa siya terms, numerical coefficient, literal coefficient, constant. So, under terms, ang terms nato is 3b squared, 2c, and negative 5. So, kung positive, pwede na din nato butag positive. So, diretsyon lang. 3b squared, 2c. Kung negative, isulat yun nato ang negative sign. Dili, pwede walay negative. Mali siya. Okay, numerical coefficient. Pag ingon ganig numerical coefficient, katulang mga term nga naay variable or naay letter. So, ang naay letter diha is ang 3 lang ug ang 2. So, ang numerical coefficient nato is 3 and 2. Then, ang literal coefficient is b squared and c. Katong naay letters. So, ayaw pud kalimti ang yang exponent. Kung walay exponent, adi na pud na siya mao. Then, ang constant is negative 5. So, naagi negative, ayaw gud kalimti. Kay, ang negative 5 ug positive 5, dili gud pareho. Okay, so let's answer number 1. So, 4x plus 2. Ang terms nato is 4x and 2. Ang numerical coefficient is 4. Ang literal, x. Ang constant, 2. Kuha. Okay, number 2. 3c squared plus 5x. So, terms nato, 3c squared and 5x. Ang atong numerical, 3 and 5. Ang literal, c squared and x. Constant, abay constant? Wala. So, butang inatog wala. Number 3. 5b plus 5. Ang terms nato, 5b and 5. Numerical, 5. Literal, b. Constant, 5. Okay, number 4. 3a squared plus 2b squared plus 1. Terms, 3a squared, 2b squared, and 1. Atong numerical, 3 and 2. Atong literal, a squared, anong na cube man na, b cube nga squared man na. Atong literal, a squared and b squared. So, dili na cube. Then, ang atong constant is 1. Mali lang pagpindot. Okay, number 5. 3x cube plus 7s squared. So, ang terms nato is 3r cube and 7s squared. Atong numerical, 3 and 7. Atong literal coefficient is r cube s squared. Ang atong constant, wala. Wala ta na, di ba? Okay, let's proceed. What is it? Okay. Letter. Algebraic expression is an expression that contains operations, numbers, and one or more variables. So, may tag algebraic expression, naana siya operation, pasabot sa operation, na ay positive, na ay negative, then numbers, naapot siya numbers, na and one or more variables. So, pwede isa or pwede daghan ang variables. Depende na siya sa given. Okay, example. Number 1. 5x minus 2. So, in the above example, we can determine the parts of an algebraic expression. 5 and 2 are the two terms in 5x and 2 are the two terms in the expression. Then 5 is the numerical coefficient or the numerical value of the term 5x. X is the literal coefficient of variable written using a letter. And negative is the operation used. Okay, so naay pangutana. Kinsa man ang imong pangutana? Okay, so wala na. Okay, number 2 example. 6y cubed plus 2z minus 5. Okay, so we can also easily identify o dali na nato siya ma-identify ang parts of algebraic expression. Okay, 6y cubed, 2z, and negative 5 are the three terms in the expression. 6 and 2 are numerical coefficient. Kanong numerical? Kay ang y ug ang y cube ug z, ang ilahang number is 6 and 2. Y cube and z are the literal coefficient. So, katong mga term, ay, layo ram ka ina. Say, lunhaw. Negative 5 is the constant. Okay, next. Okay, in this section, you will answer the activity 1 to apply your knowledge in identifying parts of algebraic expression. Sige. A rational algebraic expression is an expression containing a numerical and denominator. Containing a numerator and denominator that are both polynomials. So it is an expression of p of x and q of x in the form of p of x over all over q of x, where q of x x is not equal to 0. Kanang q of x, di ba, nasa denominator? So, dili pwede ang atong denominator, 0. So, example, p of x. So, x squared plus 3x plus 2 mo na atong numerator. Q of x, mao na ang x squared minus 2 ang atong denominator. Where x is not equal to 1 and negative 1. Okay, to summarize what you have learned, fill in the blank. Saan naman na? Man naman. Balik lang dali doon sa PowerPoint. Di pwede. Kung dali lang ito open. So, naamoy mga question about sa algebraic, okay, rational algebraic expression or polynomials. Saan man yan? May question diha about rational algebraic expression. Okay, mo-entertain lang ko og question kung related sa ato ang discussion. Pero kung dili related, dili na ko ana mo answer, ha? Makita na siya to. Okay. So, let's continue. What's more? Activity 3. Can you recognize me? Okay, direction. Identify which of the following are rational algebraic expression and which are not. So, you are going to write R if it is a rational algebraic expression and N if it is a non-rational algebraic expression. Okay, number 1. K all over M squared plus 3K. The answer is okay, rational. R. Number 2. X plus 2 all over X minus 1. Okay, the answer is R. Okay, rational algebraic expression. Number 3. 3x all over x squared plus x. Okay, the answer is R. Rational algebraic expression gihapon. Okay, number 4. 2 all over m to raise to the power of negative 5. So, the answer is N. Okay, dili siya rational algebraic expression tungod kay na ay negative ang exponent sa denominator. Number 5, b all over square root of 2x. So, the answer is N. Dili pod siya algebraic expression tungod kay na ay square root of 2x. Square root of 2x ang denominator. So, N gihapon. Okay, nakuha. Okay, let's proceed to what I have learned. Okay, to summarize what you have learned, fill in the blank with the appropriate words. In rational algebraic expression, the numerator and denominator should both be sa man. Okay, polynomial. Okay, furthermore, the numerator with a variable inside radical sign is not a rational algebraic expression. Moreover, the numerator and denominator with a radical sign or negative exponent. So, this is not a rational algebraic expression. What I can do, activity 4. Can you help John? Okay, John has given a task to determine if the given expression is a rational algebraic expression or not. So write H if it is a rational algebraic expression and A if it is a non-rational algebraic expression. Okay, so ato lang siyang identify, determine kung rational algebraic expression ba or dili. Ang given na expression. Okay, number 1. 64r all over m cubed plus 5n minus 17. Saan na siya? 17o. Okay, unsa man na siya? H or A? The answer is H. Anong H man? So, algebraic expression siya. Okay. Number 2. 3EX to the power of negative 2 all over fx squared plus gx. Sama na siya. H or A? Answer is A. So, dili siya algebraic expression. Ngano? Na ay negative ang numerator. Number 3. Y plus R plus 7 all over Y minus S minus 9. Okay, the answer is H. Nga naman, may algebraic expression man na siya. Okay. Number 4. 3ABC all over M raised to the power of negative 5. So, the answer is dako kayong A. So, dili. Kaya naay negative ang denominator. Number 5. 25mn all over 2. Okay. The answer is letter H. So, algebraic expression. Number 6. 3ABC all over square root of A, B, C, D, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Unsa gani to kung naay square root ang denominator? Okay. So, dili siya rational algebraic expression. Okay. Nakuha. Lay pangutana. Okay, proceed ta sa next. Assessment. Assessment na ta last. Number 1. How many terms are there in the expression 5x plus 4? O, pila ka terms gani? The answer is letter B, duha. 5x and 4. Okay. Number 2. What are the literal coefficient in the expression 5x plus 3y plus 2z? Literal, meaning letters. The answer is letter D, X, Y, and Z. Number 3. What are the operations used in the expression 5x plus 8y minus 9? Operation. Sa may atong gigamit dira. Positive o negative. So the answer is letter C. Number 4. What is the constant in the expression 5x squared minus 3x plus 9? Constant. Ang walay letters. The answer is letter D, ang 9. Number 5. What expression contains operations, numbers, and one or more variables? The answer is letter C. Number 6. What expression refers to the ratio of both polynomial numerator and denominator? Oh, ang answer is letter D. That is rational algebraic expression. Number 7. Why is it important to know the excluded value or values of a rational algebraic expression? Nganong importante? The answer is letter B. Can determine the values that can make the denominator equal to 0. Number 8. What is the excluded value of the rational function p of x all over q of x? So the answer is letter A. Number 9. Which of the following is an algebraic expression? Asa man diha ang algebraic expression? Letter A. Number 10. What is the name of a term with no variable in an algebraic expression? Term with no variable, ang tawag is constant. Number 11. What do you call that number before variable in a term? A number. But pasabot? Numerical coefficient. Letter A. Number 12. What are the terms in the expression 4x squared plus 2x plus 3? What are the terms? Okay, ang terms is 4x squared, 2x, and 3. Letter C. Number 13. Which of the following expression is not a rational algebraic expression? Asa daw diha ang dili rational algebraic expression? Letter A, 2x plus y all over x minus 2y. Letter B, y squared plus 12 all over 4x y cubed. C, 5x all over square root of 25y squared. Ay, walang negative. Dapat may negative tari. Then letter D, 2a minus a all over 2a plus b plus c all over a minus b plus 2c. Okay, asa daw diha ang dili rational algebraic expression? Of course, number 1, algebraic. Number 2, letter B. Unsa man na siya? Okay. Ang letter C, tanaw do na to. Diba naa siya square root? Pero, ang square root is a perfect square. Therefore, rational algebraic expression siya. Okay. 5y. Okay. Then, ang letter D, okay, rational algebraic expression. Ang dili lang is letter B. Kay naay negative ang iyahang exponent. Number 14. Which of the following expression could be considered as rational algebraic expression? Okay. Letter A, square root of 110x. Letter B, 5 raised to the power of 1 half. C, 4y squared minus 9z minus 2. Letter D, 2. Okay, usabon na ko. Letter C, 4y squared minus 9z to the power of negative 2. Letter D, 2b minus a all over b plus 2a. Okay. Which of the following expression could be considered? Asa daw diha ang rational algebraic expression? Okay, atong tanawon ang letter A. Algebraic expression ba? Rational algebraic expression ba? Okay, dili. Ang letter B. Ang iyahang exponent is a fraction. Ang letter C. Ang iyang exponent is negative 2. Ang letter D. Okay, so mo ni siya rational algebraic expression. Okay, number 15. Which of the following expression is a rational algebraic expression? Rational gihapon, algebraic expression. 3x all over square root of 3y. B, 3c raised to the power of negative 3 all over square root of a quantity a plus 1 raised to the power of 0. C, 4y squared plus z raised to the power of negative 3. And letter D, 4a minus b plus c all over a plus b. Okay. Nato ang letter A. So, naa siya'y square root of 3y. So, dili man na siya perfect. So, dili na siya rational algebraic expression. Ang letter B, na ay negative 3 ang exponent. So, dili siya algebraic expression. Ang letter C, dili na ay negative 3. So, the answer is number 4. Letter D, dili 4. Letter D. Okay, meron tayong additional activities. Activity 3. Can you differentiate? Identify which of the following are rational algebraic expression and which are not. So, write Y if it is a rational algebraic expression and N if it is a non-rational algebraic expression. Okay, 6. Number 1. 6p all over m raised to the power of 4 plus 5n. Ansa man na siya? Rational algebraic expression ba? Or dili? Okay. Number 1 is rational. Number 2, 3y plus 6 all over 3y minus 8. Rational or dili? The answer is rational. Number 3, 4x minus 8 all over x raised to the power of 4 plus x. Okay, that is rational. I don't know. Kay negative 8 siya. So, number 3, 4x raised to the power of negative 8 is non-rational. So, n. Number 4, 50xy all over x, the power of negative 5. So, may negative 5, therefore, dili siya rational algebraic expression. So, n. Number 5. 5abc all over square root of 5a. So, square root, ang 5a, dili siya perfect square, ang 5. So, therefore, dili siya. So, n. Okay, that's the end of Module 3. Bye-bye! Kung naay question, okay, pwede ninyo ato lang mo sa atong group chat. Wala man nakita na akong